Holy cow, Alibaba, how's everyone today? This pair of Vans has two colors, blue and red, which made it quite striking. I chose this pair from Zalora simply because of the two combination in colors, blue and red. I usually wear size 35 and 36 for Vans high skates, and this pair I thought I could go away with size 35 too, but too bad, the last toe hurts as it is not wide enough. The design of this Vans UA Sid DX trainers is different from the Vans high skate, where the front is wide, so don't go one size down with this model. This pair of model designed to pay tribute to the first Vans factory in Anaheim. It has color block design with blue and red. The cuff is padded. You will also find the iconic Vans Flying V embroidery at the side, which I find quite cute and not found in old school or high skate. The stitching is also contrast. The rubber outsole is durable as usual with the signature waffle print. The upper of this pair is soft suede. Well, if you want to see more of my Vans collections, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.